cartridges. Where is my hat? Cat, did you touch it? You're making a break for it, are you? Ah, I have you now. Now, did you touch my hat? Did you? Did you? Okay, fine. You didn't touch my hat. I must look somewhere else. I know the dog didn't do it. I beat him up enough. First, I must take care of one thing. You Norwegian piece of crap, stop playing your Mario Kart and get over here and tell me where my hat is.
I know where your hat is.
Where could it be?
Last time I saw it, it was in the back.
Thank you very much, I'll go get it now. Ha, I have you now, hat. Ha, maybe it's from the toilet, no. Oh, no, no. Well, I'm locked in a bathroom, sitting on the toilet. I don't know, I'll have to bust my way through or something. I'll have to look for my hat in the meantime. There? No. In the cabinet. Ooh, that could be good. What was the cabinet? Oh. Nope. Toilet paper? Don't think so. How am I gonna get it? Oh, it wasn't even locked. I'm dumb. I guess I'll have to look in here.
Take this!
Oh, my buttocks. My buttocks. Oh, okay. It's a note.
I'm going in the back, right?
Yeah. Oh, shit, I ripped it. Okay, whatever. It says, I know where your hat is. Meet me outside now. Okay, this is getting weird. To Dr. Brown hat. Let's see the hat. Yes, yeah. Hat. Dr. Gray hat.
Yes!
And you're in your freaking underwear. That's really weird.
Yes, your point?
Do you have my hat?
Yes.
Dad told us we had to get dressed.
I'll give it to you for $20.
Here you are, $20.
Thank you.
What's he doing? Shit! I'm stupid! I'll just have to sit on the staircase because I'm such a loser. Oh, why does my butt itch so much? I gotta.
Justin.
What?
I don't want that on film.
My hat is in my pants. How did it get here? Dad, I found my hat.
Stop being crazy.
Yay! Yay! I found my hat. Business with Dr. Gray Hat. Dr. Brown Hat, you piece of crap.
What?
Stop eating your nuts. And give me my money. Where's my money?
I'm not telling you. Screw you.
Ha!
Screw you. No!
I have my money.
That's my money! That's my money now!
Join me next time on the
Give me
next
it.
fascinating
Give me
adventure
my
of
money.
Dr. Brown Hat.
No! My money!
Dr. Brown Hat. I mean, Gray Hat. Shit, I have my hat on.